was afraid.
Yeah! There we go.
She's a bleeder. Thunder. Should we wait till the thunder passes before we... Nailed it. Nailed it. Nice. Did you get the exhaust undone?
Oh, I did not. Good call.
Yeah, that's not going to go anywhere without
awful,
that.
well, there we go.
Tension. So we still got the exhaust.
Yeah, oh, you still got a bolt over here. That's what's going on.
Oh, what's the... There's two bolts on those. Okay.
There's two? Did it take off?
It went flying across the road. What do you need?
Give me time.
All right. Get off my back, Dad.
Give me time.
Dude, it was all hanging by that one bolt. The whole thing fell out. So see if you can find something to prop the back of this up with. I think that's why I can't get that bolt out.
Glass packs are longer than I remember when I put them on. It's got a huge hole in it right there. All right, jack her up. Jack it up.
Okay, now, so you know, you don't want to pull this truck up off of those jack
Right.
stands.
Yeah, so hang on just a second, Tavish. We need this side to loosen. Let me grab a pry bar real quick.
Let's do one more look, make sure I got all the bell housing bolts so we don't have a... Oh, wait a minute. Go back down. Do you have a flashlight?
So there's
Shine that light in there and see if there's a bolt in this back corner of the bell housing.
Which way does it go? Oh,
There you go. Is there still one bolt left?
no, I don't think so. Unless it's farther down than the exhaust manifold.
No. Let me
This
see.
one up here is
I
loose.
thought I saw one. Loose or gone?
Well, it's
How's this thing
separated
work?
by your lights out here on the end.
What?
Well, it's got a light there.
This is like a dentist tool.
We'll see you do that again.
Oh, no, that should come right out. That's not a bolt, it's just the ear off of the back of the thing.
So
Okay.
what
So
we're
just
having
yank
is
Dude, that
this
thing's
side's
cool.
loose, but this side's not. Link
Okay, I'll
down below.
see you guys later.
Hey, steal my tools! Get back here right now.
Does it go?
Yep, go ahead and go again for a minute.
Okay, don't pull the
Yeah,
truck
hang on.
off the jack.
Ow, it smacked my
So why is
was
that?
my
That
thumb.
shouldn't be that tight. Hang on just a second.
Well, I think we just haven't lifted enough yet.
I keep going.
Yeah, lift a little more.
Something's
Okay.
going.
Come on now. Get the pry bar in there. Okay, hang on, Dad. We're still got two.
Yeah, just kind of
Too
keep
high.
it there for just a sec while we look around.
I need a bigger pry bar is what I need. I have a big pry bar. Watch this. We're doing some damage. Doing some damage now.
Oh, there. Why hasn't that been out here all the time? We don't need to cut the exhaust.
Okay, raise it up, Tavish.
Yeah, this is gonna bang.
Don't pop a hole in the side of your pan here.
Keep going, keep going.
I don't know.
We might need to
if
slide
if
forward.
there's that much pressure, let's...
Okay, we're hanging. We're dangling.
Do we just need to pull it
Now
now?
what we need to do is come away from the transmission because the... Let me see your pry bar.
Well, I'm still through that hole. I have to hold it away.
Dude, that's the Mac Daddy.
That's digging rocks out of your garden kind of tool is what that's for. So you're not going to be able to push the motor forward because we're still through the hole. It's up.
So we might end up having to pull those out of the way. I wouldn't think we would. Oh, I thought that was...
I was thinking the same thing.
I think I got it.
So you couldn't. Here, let me see. We're going to go up against the block.
I just can't believe there's that much pressure in there. That's
not the oil pan. It's just down through the hole. It needs to go up.
what I was afraid of.
Here we go.
She's a bleeder. Where's my oil pan?
See that, Mom?
It's too late
Sit
now.
that under there. Catch some of it.
It's too late now.
Oh, yeah. There we go. We're catching.
It's the big one, Mom.
Wait, watch your...
Actually, we need a disclaimer.
let's do one more look.
Graphic content.
Yeah. Not for the
See,
tree hugger types.
there is a catch pan.
Like, oh. Yeah, we're doing the best we can, people.
I got a weak stomach.
We still got vacuum lines hooked up.
This is a coolant line of some sort, which is weird to me unless that's a valve.
Yeah, all that crap goes back here. That's the evap garbage. We're doing an evap delete.
Okay, look on
What
that
was
side
that?
and see. There's still
The coolant.
what's that little cable piece?
This guy?
The little one.
So that should be a ground, right?
No, that's the throttle
disconnected?
cable. So we should be good now.
So we're disconnected all the places. What's
Think
up?
so.
What's holding on, Tavish? Anything?
Gravity.
So I'd bring that over this way, so we're going to come out there. That is just a heavy son of a gun.
Nice.
That's where I do Japanese cars.
Aluminum. Look, watch the air hose. Don't run over that. We'll have a bad time on our hands.
Okay, come up with a plan so it doesn't roll down the hill on you.
Our plan is to clear that space out of there.
So let's get a...
Out of the
This is awesome. Look at that. It's the heart of the beast.
Okay, you're going to want to go straight back now so we don't hit that flag. Or is that the one that's broken?
Nothing?
There we go.
You got your steel-toe boots on. I don't. Cool.
Should be easy now, right?
Sheesh. All right, that's good for now. So Tavish, for that one, I'm going to aim for this. Right here.
For this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, here. This has got to hang down below. Oh my gosh!
Dude, you've got to get something that has the right tool for this.
Hey, look, we hit right where we were
I
aiming.
think I was aiming. That would have been bad.
Dude, I don't like that.
My toe was under it.
I'd either cut a notch in this
Yeah.
so you can use it the right way.
Drill and tap. So I'm in the process of editing this video. I realize I got a lot more footage than I thought that I would, so I'm actually going to split it up into a couple different segments. You saw us rip the heart of the beast out, that's what Tavish called it. Pulled that power plant from the 79 Ford. A little preview of what we've got. We've got the motor completely torn down at this point. We've decided to, well, I don't know, this might be a little premature, but we've decided to just buy a short block, use the existing heads and whatnot, and salvage some of the parts from it. But if you're in northern Utah and you are in need of a 351M block, I've got one. So reach out to me. Instagram's probably the best way to get me, at DIY Home and Auto. If you're not following me there, please do. I'd appreciate that. That would be great. But as always, there's links down below to Amazon affiliates. Well, there are Amazon affiliate links down below. They pay me a little bit of a kickback for sending them business, essentially. You're probably going to buy things on Amazon anyway, so I would appreciate that support. It helps me and my channel grow. And I hope that I'm entertaining, educating a little bit along the way as well. If all of those things apply to you, please like, share, subscribe, do all the things. I really appreciate all of the support and the kindness. And we'll keep putting out content as fast as we can on this. We've got quite a bit of footage in the can, as it were, so lots of editing to come. We'll be able to spit out some videos here on a pretty regular cadence here for a little while. I do need to get that motor ordered. The reason that I'm doing it is because the machine shops here in northern Utah, they're not taking new business. They're not taking block work. They can do my heads, so I'm going to have the cylinder heads worked and just use those on the next engine, on the engine. But anyway, long story short, I can't find a machine shop to actually work on the block itself. So in order to keep the project moving forward, we're going to buy a new engine. If I can't sell that, I may keep it just because it's going to be numbers matching for the truck. I don't know that that's going to matter to us in the end, but you know, if I doubt Tavish will ever sell the truck. If he does, I get to buy it first. I've told him that I'm first. He's got to come to me first before he sells it to anybody else. Anyway, long story short, this is Troy, DIY Home and Auto. Please subscribe, ring that bell so you get notified of future videos. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Really appreciate you checking in, spending time with my boy. I love it. This is amazing. Quite the little journey that we're on. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.